guys, what is up? It's your boy Daniel, and yeah. So that last video I tried making space. The most annoying thing ever. Space. I wish I had unlimited, but sadly that can't happen. Oh, this guy has a sleigh. I've always wanted this one. I never got enough money though. Actually, I did have, but you know what happened, guys. It's sad. It got deleted because of an update, or because I wasn't playing it for a while. Actually, you know what, guys? I have a better idea for this. Never mind. Oof. Oof. I was thinking about buying one of these, a new car, but since there's this car, a Cadillac, technically a Cadillac, there's a Cadillac, and well, it's way better. I've gotten dubs with that. Lots of dubs, too. Oh, yeah, they did add more cars. There's now 50 something. Oof. Come here. No one needs that sleigh. Santa has his own. Ooh, this guy's low. And he's almost destroyed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect timing. Hi. Come here. You have no reindeer. I just hate it when my wheels give up. So annoying. Ready? Come here. How are you engine powered? You have no gas. You're somehow... But you're... Come here. Oof. 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 Yeah! So, you know how you can, like, on Xbox, how you can do the thing where it turns it back into a computer, technically? Well, my friend did that yesterday at school. See a sleigh? It's on its side. We're gonna bully it. Bully. Why are you bullying me? Ready? Wait. One car hit. My car's still okay if you want to gay. I meant to say. Holly, bye. Wait, what's Holly the... There's always at least one... I remember there's no way you can get a tie in this game. Like, it's just really lucky. You and the guy. Same HP, same as hard hit. And then you hit someone. And then, like, they're dead. That's just luck. But you died at the same time. See, that's rare. And if you want to say so, it's even more rare is when you somehow go up to someone and say, hi, my name is... Oh, wait, sorry, what is my name? Oof, ooh, ah. Actually, that never happened to me. Probably because I'm only 9. come here. You thought you were gonna live. Easy, Dynamite. And then the last three pretty low, I think. Well, this guy is. They're both low. Darn it, I missed. That was gonna be a good hit too. That was. But I was on the wrong car. Aww. Dang it. Ah. It's gonna be an easy peasy dub. This guy's windows are almost broken. But sadly, my two front tires are dead. When I say dead, dead. Oh look, the guy's following me. How cute. Oh, dude. How did that guy destroy that car and he's like 6 HP? That's probably what he is now. Dead. I said dead. Guys, I'm like dead. And then this guy just goes, easy, dumb. Okay. I remember how many cars I had. I need to change the color. It's ugly. No. Something like dark red. Hey guys, it's almost Christmas. Yeah. I need to change that to tint. There we go. Oh, number. You guys know it. If you see my videos. Hi. Wait. Stronger, faster, better. Oh my gosh, they finally added cops to this part. How, it's a miracle. But there is a bus in my game, so. 50, oh my, this guy is about dead. So I'm just gonna follow him everywhere he goes, in his sleep, in his dreams, when he dies, in heaven. That sounded wrong. Hey, Mike. Hi, here. If I get this right, I get to leave the game. If I get it wrong, Bob. That's what I'm guessing. But here's the thing, I have to get the kill. So for example, if someone else kills them, it doesn't count, and I don't get deleted my game. But let's say, for example, he was getting bullied by me and a whole bunch of other cars. Then, paint messed up. Why is this guy going around just killing people? But he can't. He will in his dreams, though. My nose itches. Hey! Oh! Don't tell me. Oh, man. I thought that was Bob. Hey, the first car, I bet Bob did get destroyed, but that guy was straight. The bad thing about when cars get destroyed, I can't go back. That's the thing. Ugh. It's like, if I wanted to, I would have thrown my phone. But as you guys know, I record everything on my phone. Oof. Bully him. Why you bullying me? Okay. Third one has finally landed. We have made a simple dub, guys. James died. He died. This guy's dead, almost. 4 cars left. Alright, the guy who made it to 5th place is pretty okay. Is lucky. That's so funny. I just watched his wheels. In the arms of an angel. Me. Dead. Almost dead. I just had to bully this guy. He's a speed getter, but he's not a winner. That did not rhyme. Why did I say that? It was? No, I can't let him hit me. Yeet! Hey, but he's lower health, so. Who's gonna win? Simple dub, guys! What was that? What was that? Are you honest with me? That was a good match against him. Broke my window. Okay. I wish that happened. I remember when they had the tank. This is the car I want. It's 35K though. Do you guys remember me using this in my old videos?